Hello, welcome to Amanimaba's kitchen. Today you are going to learn how to roast potatoes. The ingredients we are going to use are potatoes, black pepper, parsley flakes, salt, garlic powder, cube, margarine, and fresh garlic. I've peeled and washed the potatoes. Now I am going to cut it into smaller chunks. I have finished cutting the potatoes. I'm going to add some salt and some water. Then I'm going to cook it. I'm not going to cook it to be too soft. The potatoes are done boiling and this is how it should be. I'm going to add the margarine to a frying pan for it to melt. Then I'm going to add my garlic. And my cube. Then I'm going to leave the margarine to melt. I have put in my margarine mixture, parsley flakes, garlic powder, garlic salt, and black pepper on my potatoes. I'm going to toss it, put it in a baking sheet, and shove it in the oven. The potatoes are done. They are nicely light brown. You can keep yours in the oven longer if you want them to be really crunchy. But this is a little crunchy on the edges and still soft in the middle. I have served my potatoes with chicken and Ghana stew. I will put the links in the description box below for the chicken recipe and Ghana stew recipe. You can have yours with sauce and any other side dish that you want. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and God bless you. Bye bye.